Hi everybody and welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts, and today we are doing something, it's pretty kind of cool. We haven't seen one of those for a long time, but hopefully we will see them soon. And in your kit you are going to get half a paper plate. You are going to get lovely colors, and there's a certain thing that happens in the sky with these colors. And it's something to do with our next week's craft too. And also you are going to get cotton balls. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to take your paper plate, and this time I am using white glue. And what we're going to do is we are going to glue the lovely cotton balls to the top half of our paper plate. And I think I know that you guys can do that one. It's pretty simple. Okay, and just going to put all the cotton balls, and we should be really giving you enough to do a pretty good cover. And then once we have all those lovely cotton balls on, we're going to do the next step, which is we're going to take our lovely paper plate, and hopefully your craft is glued. Your glue is all dry, so you can leave it. And then what we're going to do on the back of it, so here's all the cotton balls on the front, and then carefully put it down. And you can put the paper on the back first, and then put the cotton balls on the front, okay? And then there's a special way to put this on. So it's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and indigo, or violet. And that is how a rainbow is. So I'm going to make sure I do this right, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my rainbow done, and then the last thing that we're putting in our craft kits today is a string. So you can actually hang this also in your window. And then next week one that we're going to be doing is a leprechaun. And leprechauns always hide their gold at the end of the rainbow. So this is our craft for this week, and we'd love to see it. And we'll see you on Thursday, 10:30 for Cozy Corner Stories. And please send us pictures of your craft that are complete, because we've been missing them. We haven't seen it for a while. Bye everybody.